The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands in times of challenge and controversy. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.
This kind of gathering is a reminder that who we are as Americans and who we are as people and as humans is more important than who we are within any partisan or ideological divide. This is a space where we come together to ask, how can we serve? And how can we, as Dr. King suggested, be great through our service?
Martin Luther King had a lot to do with what I was able to achieve. And it was Dr. King who led that second Civil War. Civil War values, the Civil War of the mind that we needed 100 years after the first Civil War.
We're trying to strive for and achieve educational excellence, of which reform is part of our way of getting there.
Everyone can do something, everybody can pitch in to make our world better.
Dr. and Mrs. King also believed that service is a tie that binds us.
Dr. King set out our agenda today with these words: we must work unceasingly to uplift this nation that we love to a higher destiny, to a higher plateau of compassion.
Prosper, giving all that you can while the givings are still good and the movements are still moving.